And let's continue with list. So we stopped over here in the last class, or in the last video. My god, last class. So let's add few more characters over here. Let's say Neville Longbottom. So I'll just add Neville, and I'll add Hagrid too. Okay, now comes step. So what do you mean by step? So let's say I want Harry, Hermione, Dumbledore and Hagrid together in my team. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just start with print name. Okay, do you want to think for a second how it's going to have Harry, Hermione, Dumbledore and Hagrid? Any answers? Pause the video, write in the comment section below. Okay, I'll go ahead. So start is start, so that's 0 colon. Now we go towards the stop, so it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll stop at 7. So I'll just write 7 over here. And let's have an index over here. Oh, step over here. So the step means by default it has a step of 1. That means it's going to climb one step at a time. So it's climbing first step, then second step, then third and so on. But what if while climbing the step I want to skip a step and go ahead? So I can just say I'm taking this step, skipping this one, going ahead with this, skipping this one and going ahead with this and so on. So you just have to understand this step. So the syntax is from start you can have stop +1 colon step. How many steps you want to just eliminate or just have an alternative. Okay, so I'll just go here again, run this, and bingo, I get Harry, Hermione, Dumbledore, Hagrid. Okay, answer the next one quickly. I want Harry, Malfoy and Hagrid. Okay, just tell me. Oh, I cannot listen to you, but still. So start is start, so I'll start with 0. I'll go towards the end, which is Hagrid. So by default I have to give the index as 7. And let's say this one, leaving 2 and taking the third one. So I'm skipping 2, taking the third, so I'll give a step of 3. If you had this answer in your mind, you're doing great. If you don't have this answer in your mind, yeah, you're still learning, so it's okay. Just kidding. So we get Harry, Malfoy and Hagrid. Excellent. Let's understand one more thing. I call this a shorthand cause it's actually a shorthand technique. I'll talk about this one now. So as we all know, Python people are damn lazy. So even if you, cause it starts from the beginning, like from 0, even if you don't write this, it is fine. If I save this and run, it'll give me Harry, Ron, Hermione. That's great. You can see this one over here. These both answers are same. Okay. Now I'll take this one. Okay. Just copy. It ends at the end. So even if you don't write this, that is fine. So just understand it's one more shorthand technique for you. And if I run this now, excellent, it will go till the end. Starting from second, which is Hermione, go till the end. I'll take this one, copy, paste. Now it starts from the start, so should I write the 0? No, I'll skip it. Okay, excellent. It ends at the end. Yes. So it's colon 2. Now we get this. So it is skipping 1, Harry, it's skipping Ron, it's going at Hermione, then Dumbledore, and then Hagrid. Excellent. So when I first saw this, I myself was so confused that what syntax is this? But yeah, it's the easiest syntax you can ever see. Let's see one more thing now. What if I don't know how many people are over here in this list and I want to print the last one or the second last one? So the very easy technique is, and I don't remember if any other programming language has this, but Python has negative indexing. So by default, the index of this will become -1 or -1, -2, -3 and so on. So I can even write print name and just index it as -1. Save this, go ahead and run, and it will give me Hagrid. In the similar way, print name, and if I write from -5 to -1, So just before running -5, so -1, -1, -3, -4, -5. So it will start from Hermione. It stops at -1. So I think so these 4 should be printed. Let's see. So Hermione, Malfoy, Dumbledore. Excellent. Yes. But what if I do reverse of this? I give name and I pass -1 or -1 to -6 or -6. So let's save this. Will it print anything? Let's see. So it prints nothing. It prints an empty list. Why? Because Python can go only in the forward direction or only the right direction. Or just understand you're climbing the stairs. You have to turn around 180 degrees to climb down. So what should we do? So we have to give this a direction. So how are we going to give it a direction? By applying a step of -1. This means it is going to turn around 180 degrees and start climbing down. I believe you're understanding this. So now in this case you can see it is printing in the reverse order. So Hagrid, Neville, Dumbledore, Malfoy and Hermione. Excellent. Now I'll show you the easiest way to reverse a list in Python. Reverse a list in Python. Okay. So let's say print. I'll give name. I'll start from -1. I'll go till -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So till -8 with the index of -1. Okay, I'll just save this. Go here, run. It gives me Hagrid to Harry. So just reversing the list without using any functions or any other methods. Now let me just copy this, paste. Because it starts from the start, I can just write 0 over here. It ends with the end, so oh sorry, no 0, nothing. I can just have ::, -1. I'll just save this, go here and run. So both these are same. So this is the shortest way to reverse a list in Python. I believe you're understanding how lists work, and if you don't understand, you can take some different examples and you can check more things. You can also write us in the comment section if you have any doubts. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.